Good morning, students. Welcome to the online lecture of class 4 maths. Today we will move further in the chapter number 3, a trip to Bhopal. In the last lecture we have seen these three activities or three puzzles A, B and C. So now moving further, the D. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. So, what we have to do? We have to give a number. We have to give a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and also come between the 25 and 50. So, for this type of question, if it is asked in a question exam, then what you have to do, just multiply the given numbers, these three numbers. In this question these three numbers are given, so just multiply this number. So now 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay, so we have to find a number which can be divided by 30. So between 25 and 50, the only number which can be divided by 30 is 30 itself. So your answer will be 30. Now let's check it. 30 can be divided by 2. Yes. Okay, answer will be 15. Right? Then 30 can be divided by 3. Answer will be, yes student, 10. Okay, and 30 can be also divided by 5 and the answer will be 6. Now moving further to E puzzle. Puzzle E. A small ant climbs 3 cm in 1 minute but slips down 2 cm every time. Okay. In 1 minute the small ant climbs 3 cm, right? But he falls down every time by 2 cm. So we will subtract firstly 3 minus 2, which is 1. Okay. Now in 1 minute the ant climbs 1 centimeter. Okay. So how much time will it take to climb 2 centimeter? Okay, it's very simple. For 1 centimeter it takes 1 minute. So for 2 centimeter it takes 2 minutes, right? Okay. So here are the answer. Yes. D, a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 comes between 25 and 30 is 25 and 50 is 30, because the required number must be divisible by 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30, and 30 is the only number between 25 and 50 which is divisible by 30. Puzzle number E. A small ant climbs 3 cm in 1 minute but slip down 2 cm. How much time will it take to climb 2 cm? It takes 2 minutes to climb 2 cm, or you can explain also net height attained in 1 minute equals to 3 minus 2 cm equals to 1 cm, and therefore 2 cm height will be attained in 2 minutes. Moving further, which boat do we take? They are so lost in the puzzles that they do not notice that they have reached the lake. It is a very big lake with a small island in it. The lake look very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. Now comes the exciting part. It's time to go for boating. They have to choose which boat to take. But that is not easy because there are varieties of boards, varieties of ticket price and varieties of trip time. There are different kind of boards, each has a different ticket price and also different trip time. So here we can see in the table number of boards are 4: double decker, paddle boards, motor boards, boards with oars, and the ticket price are 30 rupees, 15 rupees, 25 rupees, 15 rupees respectively. And the trip time are 45, 30, 20 and 45 respectively to the boards. Now, here the discussion is going on which student will take which boards. Four of us will take a paddle boat and race with Gori and her group. We will take the motor boat. It is costly but fun. The other groups are like this. Let us take the oar boat. It is not costly and we will get more time for a peaceful ride. Hey, we are going on the double decker. It also had music. It cost a lot but we get more time. Okay, so 4 to 5 groups have decided in which boat they are going to go. Now, here are some questions for us. Indra and Bhanu went in the motor boat and then took the oar boat. How much did they pay for the boats? Okay, so let's see here. Number of students are 2. First, keep that in mind. Number of students are 2. And they went in the motor boat and oar boat. So, what is the price of motor boat? 25 and or 15. So, you have to do 2 into 25 firstly for the motor boat. Yes, got it. And with the for the boat for us 15 into 2 because 2 students are there. So 2 into 15 and the answer will be 2 into 25. Yes, 50, right? And 15 into 2 is 30. So total will be 0 plus 0, 0 and 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So they have to pay 80 rupees. Now moving further to question number 2. How much time did they get for both rides? So let's see the answer. Okay, see the which two boats they have taken, motor boat and a oar boat, and the time is that 20 minutes and 45 minutes. So the answer will be total time for the boating in the case of Indra and Bhanu equals to 20 minutes plus 45 minutes, which is equal to 65 minutes. And we know that 1 hour means 60 minutes. So the answer in hours will be 1 hour 5 minutes, right? Okay. Question number 3. One group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double-decker trip? Okay. So one group has gone for the double-decker trip and they have paid in total for 50 rupees. So they have asked us how many students are there in that one group. Okay, so first let's see the price, ticket price of the double decker boat, that is 30 rupees. So we have to divide 450 divided by 30, which you will get 15. Okay, and the answer will be like this. Total charges paid equals to 450 rupees. Charges for one child is rupees 30. Therefore, the number of children who went for the double-decker trip equals to 450 divided by 30, which is equal to 15. Now, next, which boat makes two trips in 1 hour? Okay, so we have to see the time which boat makes the two trips in 1 hour. So let's see the answer. Time taken for the one trip equals to 60 minutes divided by 2. Okay, so 60 divided by 2 is 30. So the boat which takes 30 minutes for a single trip can complete two trips in a 1 hour. Clearly from the table, we find that the paddle boats make two trips in 1 hour. Okay, the paddle boats which has trip time of 30 minutes can complete two trips in 1 hour. Moving further, which boat take less than half an hour to complete a trip? So let's see the table, and from the table you can see that the motor boats which has trip time of 20 minutes can easily complete trip in half an hour. Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which two boats did he take? So he paid rupees 40 and boated for the 50 minutes. Okay, now let's see what will be the answer from the table. See here, Javed took paddle boats and motor boats for boating. Let's find the reason. Paddle boat and the motor boat. See, he rided for the 50 minutes, yes. Then 30 plus 20, which is equals to 50 minutes, and he paid 40 rupees. So 15 plus 25, which is equal to 40 rupees. So these are the two boats which he has taken, paddle boat and the motor boat, which cost 40 rupees in total and 50 minutes in for a trip ride, right? So here the boat section is over. Moving further to the next topic, time to return. Children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. It is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. So they should reach Hoshangabad by dash o'clock. So here they finished their boating at 4 o'clock. Now they are returning to their town and they will reach by 2 hours. So they will reach Hoshangabad by 6 o'clock. It's very simple. They have started at 4 o'clock and they will reach by 2 hours, which is 6 o'clock. Find out, have you ever been on a school trip? How many children were there in all? How did you go and how far? How much time did it take? Try to find out the cost of travel for each child. This is an activity which you can do at your home. It's not compulsory and it's not compulsory to write this in the notebook. So now let's do this activity, practice time. So we will see all the questions one by one. Question number 1. There are 4 very old caves painting. Mark the oldest. So here are some of the options and your answer will be B. 8,500 years old. This answer is given in your textbook in the theory portion, you can see. Question number 2. One bus can carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? Okay. So number of children are 48 and there are 3 buses. So we have to just multiply 3 by 48. 48 into 3, when you will multiply, you will get 144. So total number of children carried by 3 buses will be 144. Which pair of number add to make more than 500? Okay, so this is your homework. You have to do by your own. Try to add 152 plus 241 and see the answer. add 99 plus 229 and see the answer. 321 and 192, see the answer. And lastly, 401 and 91, see the answer and mark the answer which one is correct and which the total is more than 500. Question number 4. What happened at what time? Draw the lines to match. Here, here. So, this is the portion which we have already discussed. I have discussed all the timing at which time they have did everything. So, I am giving you the directly answer. You have to refer it by yourself and write it down in your notebook. Okay. See, if you can recall, they crossed the Narmada bridge by 9:10 a.m. Looked at the Bhimbetka painting at 11:30 p.m. At the petrol pump 9:30 a.m. Boat in the lake 3 p.m. Had a lunch at 12:30 p.m. and returned to the Hosangabad at 6 p.m. We have discussed each and every timing in the chapter. So, here we are ending this chapter number 3, a trip to Bhopal. I am sharing the PDF file of the remaining question of this chapter. So, you have to write this in your notebook. From the next week, we will start new chapter. Thank you.